Hello and welcome to a Zero Harm tutorial. In this video we'll be looking at temporary hazards. Temporary hazards are a great way to inform your employees, visitors or contractors of any hazards which are going on that day. To access your temporary hazards, simply log into zeroharm.app and click on Temporary Hazards on the left. Click New Temporary Hazard and give a name and description of the temporary hazard. For example, we have a contractor which will be painting our main office. Select the duration. Depending on the type of hazard, this can be set for multiple days or weeks, or just a single day. In this example, we'll just set a single day. Once the temporary hazard has been added, you'll also see it on the main dashboard. You'll have easy access here to modify it if you need. Alternatively, we can also see when it ends. All temporary hazards will be available on a sign-in. For example, once we have completed our induction, we will then be prompted to sign in. During the sign-in process, all temporary hazards will be visible, and it's a great way of just informing people of what's going on. We hope this has helped. If you have any questions, please contact support@zeroharm.app. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.